Guys, let's introduce ourselves. My name is Agnes Ponganan.
My name is Claudia Spitatuna.
My name is Aljen Terensapo.
My name is Adel Heni Sirumba.
My name is Bernardo Jiran Saputra Alinan. Now we will tell how to make grilled fish. Keep watching.
Catfish, coriander, lime, onion and garlic,
Coconut cream, powdered ginger, turmeric powder, lime leaf,
red chili, salt, oil. Fish grill, coconut fiber, milk, plate, stylen and spatula, lighter, spoon, knife, blender.
First, clean catfish and soak the catfish with lime. Next, put the coconut fiber in the fish grill and turn on the fire. After that, mince onion and garlic.
then add coriander and red chili mashed until smooth. After the oil is hot, pour the spices that have been smoothed into a frying pan that has been mixed with hot oil.
Then add coconut milk, turmeric powder, ginger powder, and salt. Then add lime leaf so that the seasoning is a little fragrant.
Stir until the color of the spice are yellow and slightly brown so that the finished spice in the bowl. Next, spread oil on the fish grill until the fish doesn't slip and burns quickly.
After that, grill catfish until half cooked. After half cooked, spread the seasoning on the catfish and wait for 3 minutes. Finally, grilled catfish is ready to serve.
Finally, the grilled catfish is ready to serve. Audio Jungle.